Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some small kitchen decorating ideas with farmhouse inspired. Let's start the video. Farmhouse inspired kitchen decor is all about creating a warm, inviting, and cozy space that feels like a rustic countryside retreat. Here are some tips and ideas to achieve this look. Key elements of farmhouse kitchen decor. Natural materials. Wood. Use reclaimed wood for countertops, shelves, or a kitchen island. Expose wooden beams on the ceiling. Add a rustic touch. Stone. Incorporate natural stone for countertop, backsplash, or flooring. Color palette. Neutral base. White, creams, and soft grays create a bright and airy feel. Accents. Add warmth with earthy tones like muted greens, soft blues, and warm browns. Cabinetry, Shankar style, simple, clean lines with raised panel doors are a staple of farmhouse design. Open shelving, display dishes, glassware, and vintage kitchenware on open shelves for an inviting, accessible feel. Vintage and rustic accents. Antique finds. Incorporate vintage kitchen tools, scales, and signs. Flower markets and thrift stores are great places to find unique items. Mason jars. Use mason jars for storage, vases, or as drinking glasses for a classic farmhouse touch. Farmhouse sink. Apron front sink. A deep white sink with an exposed front adds a traditional farmhouse look and is highly functional for washing large pots and pans. Lighting. Pendant lights. Install pendant lights with metal or glass shades above kitchen island or dining area. Candeliers. A rustic or wooden iron candelier can add charm and elegance. Furniture. Farmhouse table. A large, sturdy wooden table serves as the centerpiece for family gatherings and meals. Mixed-matched chairs. Mix and match different styles of wooden chairs for an eclectic lived-in look. Textiles. Checked or striped fabrics. Use these patterns for curtains, tablecloths, and chair cushions. Natural fibers. Incorporate jute, linen, and cotton for a cozy, rustic feel. decorative elements, wreath and greenery, and a touch of nature with red potted herbs or fresh flowers. On art, hang window sign, farmhouse coats, or botanical prints to add character to the walls. Functional decor. Pot racks. Install a pot rack to display your cookware and save cabinet space. Cutting boards. Use wooden cutting boards as both functional kitchen tools and decorative elements. Practical tips. Declutter. Keep countertops and open shelves tidy, but storing less frequently used items out of sight. Mix old and new. Blend vintage pieces with modern appliances to maintain functionality while achieving the farmhouse look. Personal touches. Add personal items like family photos, heirlooms, or dye projects to make the space feel uniquely yours. Layer textures. Combine different textures like wood, metal, and textiles to add depth and interest to the space. Emphasize functionality. Farmhouse kitchens are designed to be used. Ensure that your space is practical and works well for your cooking and entertaining needs. Dye projects. Distress furniture. Create a weathered look on furniture with sandpaper and paint. Handmade sign. Make custom sign with reclaimed wood and paint for a personal touch. Herb garden. Plant herb in mason jars or small pots and place them on the windowsill for fresh, accessible seasonings. By incorporating these elements and tips, you can create a farmhouse-inspired kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, providing a cozy and welcoming environment for family and friends. Here are some specific tips to help you achieve the perfect farmhouse-inspired kitchen decor. Tips for achieving a farmhouse-inspired kitchen. Start with a neutral base. Choose white or soft muted colors for walls and cabinets. Shades like soft creams, light gray, or pale blue create a clean and airy backdrop. Cabinetry. Opt for Shaker-style cabinets painted in neutral colors. For a rustic touch, consider a distress finish. Incorporate natural materials. Use reclaimed wood for shelves, countertops, or a kitchen island. Add a wooden beam ceiling if possible. Stone. Include natural stone for countertops, backsplashes, or even a stone wall for added texture. Choose farmhouse style fixtures. Lighting. Select pendant lights with metal or glass shades for above the island. Consider a rustic candlelight for the dining area. Faucets. Install an apron front sink with a vintage style faucet to enhance the farmhouse feel. Add open shelving. Display items. Use open shelves to display showcase dishes, glassware, and vintage kitchen tools. Keep it organized and uncluttered for a clean look. Functional storage. Mix practical storage with decorative items such as neatly stacked plates, glass jars filled with pantry staples, and oven baskets. Mix and match furniture. Farmhouse table. Invest in a large, sturdy wooden table for a focal point. Mismatched chairs or branches can add charm and character. Kitchen island. A rustic wooden island with storage underneath provides additional workspace and storage. Incorporate vintage and rustic accents. Antiques include antique kitchen tools, vintage wine, and old-fashioned skills. These items add history and character. Mason jars. Use mason jars for storage as vases or even as drinking glasses. Use farmhouse textiles, curtains, and cushions to sticked or stacked fabrics for curtains, chair cushions, and tablecloth. Rugs. Add a jute or variated rug for warmth and texture. Incorporate greenery, herb garden. Place potted herbs on windowsills or shelves for fresh, easy to access herbs. Fresh flowers. Use fresh flowers or red to add a touch of nature and color. Functional and decorative storage. Pot racks. Install a pot rack to display your cookware and save cabinet space. Cutting boards. Use wooden cutting boards as both functional kitchen tools and decorative pieces. Add personal touches. Family photos. Display family photos in vintage frames for a personal touch. Handmade items include type projects like handmade sign or custom-built furniture to make the space uniquely yours. Declutter and organize. Minimalist approach. Keep countertops and open shelves tidy by storing less frequently used items out of sight. Efficient storage. Use baskets, jars, and other storage solutions to keep items organized and accessible. Type projects to enhance your farmhouse kitchen. Distress furniture. Create a weathered look on furniture with sandpaper and paint for vintage feel. design. Make style or climate wood and paint for personalized kitchen decor. Messenger storage. Use messengers with labels for storing pantry items, adding both functionality and charm. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful and functional farmhouse-inspired kitchen that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.